Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Footwear Leathercraft. My name is Okevi. Hi, hope everyone is fine. Today I will be showing you how I install the all-round gusset on my bag. I'm making a simple baguette bag. So I already have holes, the stitching holes round the gusset, two sides, and the edges are skived, ready for stitching. I also did the same, stitching holes round. So right now I'm applying my gum on the edges to help me hold the leather together while I stitch. I will also put it at this other side on the gusset as well. I'm doing an inside stitch, so that's why I'm putting it on this outside place. Okay, so my gum is dry and ready to place together. So this is the all long gusset, stitching holes punched already, edge skived for easy stitch. So I am going to start with the edge by placing it here. Just following the line. Hope I'm not blocking you. Let's keep going. Careful. So there's a curve here. Now I'm going to have to slice it open for easy so here I'm going to like open cut for 1, 2, 3, make it 4, 5, 4. So I gave it a bit here, like so. I'll go so it's easy for me to go open on this curve here. So I'll continue. Again, keep going, keep going, keep going. Straight, straight, straight. At the other curve, for easy, because if I don't tear 3, 4 lines here open, I won't be able to go well, because you see here it's just like struggling here and it's ugly. So I'm going to do the same cut here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this again. Then now it's flexible. Let's go again. Okay, there are 6 there, so it's flexible for me now. See? See? Straight.
I go straight to the, it's just the same method I use on the other side that I've been using here. Just keep going and going. Open it. So at the curve now, I am going to open that part again. So, open the curve again. Just short lines. You just use the scissors and you can see from nothing.